Oh, hello everyone, my name is Hành and welcome to my kitchen. So today I will show you how to cook some spaghetti with meat sauce. First we need some spaghetti, tomato sauce or spaghetti sauce, chili peppers, a sausage, garlic and tomatoes, some meat, and some cheese. First, we're starting by cook the spaghetti according to the instructor on the package. Make sure to salt of the water before adding the spaghetti. Then, we'll turn on the stove with the boiling water. When we're waiting to make the spaghetti, we will make some meat sauce. First, I will have a chopping board. First, I will cut the sausages in a small piece. Then some garlic. Then the water is getting boiled. Then put it back in the dish. The spaghetti are getting ready. Just wait a minute. Then I will do some meat. This cheese the boost my. There are 8. Spaghetti are getting ready, so just wait a minute. After 12 minutes, the spaghetti is getting ready. Then I will put the spaghetti on the plates. Then we'll roll some meat, some cheese, Finally, we will put some garlics, onions, and some sausage. I like sausage. I think we need some cheese. Oh wait. Then we will put some spaghetti on it. Remember to put the gas in this. It's getting ready! I'm getting done. Some sauce, spaghetti sauce. It looks very yummy. I love it. Wow, look at the color. So pretty and beautiful. The final, I will put some cheese. The cow smiling. Look at the delicious spaghetti. It's too many, right? This is my result. There are 4 platefuls of spaghetti, sausage, and meat. It looked very delicious. Oh, I forgot. There are 3 drinks today. There are Mirinda and Coca. And I like this purple the best. Hear the sound. And there you have a delicious spaghetti with meat sauce that is perfect for any weeknight dinner. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Bye!